afternoon. My name is Nadir Hami.
My name is Nurhab Sazo. My name is Nuria Sohamo.
My name is Kamaria Wade.
My name is Haifati Singh.
We are from Chungyangke Vidyakul School.
Today we will show you how to make sardine or Thai iced tea, a popular and refreshing drink in Thailand. It is made from black tea, sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk. Serve over ice.
Here are easy steps to make it. First, soak 3 to 4 tea bags in about 500 ml of hot boiled water. Adjust the amount according to the strength you want to slowly combine.
Remove the tea bag from the container. Add quarter to half of sweetness condensed milk into the hot tea. Adjust the quantity according to sweetness you want. Stir to combine to tea and milk well. Let it cool.
After that, pour the prepared tea over ice in glasses. Finally, add overpressed milk according to how creamy you want. And enjoy homemade chai yen.
If you like our video, don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Bye!